Alright guys, this is the voice of Web3 Simplified. Today I'll be introducing us to Sogni AI. Sogni AI is a potential testnet project that I want every one of you to actually look into, and it's quite very easy to start. Alright, so what is Sogni AI? Sogni AI is the most powerful creative AI deepin protocol. So it's actually a deepin project. Alright, so the testnet is currently live and it will run for 18 days, and today is day 3. So if you are just getting this video now, it is important that you jump into it as fast as possible. So from my research and also calculation, one Sogni AI token will be 0.5. All right, I believe if you are in my group, you'll be seeing more details about the project. I don't want this video to be that lengthy, so let me quickly walk you through on how to register the project. So you can see this is their official X account with gold verification, so they are here for business. So all right, so let me quickly walk us through on how to go about the registration. When you follow the link below this video, it will take you straight to my WhatsApp community, where you get all the detailed step on how to register on the Sogni AI. All right, so the first thing to do is to click on the link that you will see. All right, so click on the link, follow the link, then it will take you straight to your browser, your default browser. You click on sign up for free. So you can sign up, you can see install the progressive app, so you can install the progressive app. All right, so you continue with your registration. You choose your username, you choose your email address, you choose the referral code is simplified. If you want to have more additional token and mine faster, use my referral code, which is simplified. All right, so the next thing you do, you go ahead, you continue. A confirmation will be sent into your mail after you've provided your password. Go ahead, provide the password. Provide your password, confirm your password, then you go ahead, click I understood, then you continue. All right, so they will tell you to verify that's to cross check things and create account. Click create account. So after you click create account, it will take you to this platform, to this page. All right, now a notification has been sent to your email already, and when you verify, you get 500 TSGN, that's a Sogni token. All right, so you get 500 for confirmation. So you can just minimize, go straight to your email. All right, go straight to your email address to confirm that you have received that's confirmation. You go ahead and you confirm it. All right, so upon confirmation, you'll be told to follow their Discord account, so you can open this in your Chrome. All right, so you'll be told to claim a role on Discord. So the reason why many people actually miss out on testnet is not because they were not active, but it's because they were active, but there are other criteria that ought to be met that they actually faded out of ignorance, or they intentionally did it out of laziness. So I'll be guiding you on how to claim your Discord role. You just go ahead, click on Discord role, so it will take you to Discord. If you do not have Discord, make sure you set up your account before doing this particular task. All right, so you go ahead and enter into it. So please follow my step-by-step guide so that you won't be left behind. Just hold on, make sure you mark everything here. You can see what I'm doing. Mark everything, accept everything, then finish. Upon doing this task, it simply means you have confirmed verification. All right, so if we go straight to, you can see verify, so everything has been done. If you go straight to claim a role, you can just go ahead and just like as many as you can, so that it's a proof that you are not actually a robot. Then you just go ahead and like. All right, just go ahead, like. Go ahead and just make sure you interact with the bots. You can see Mainnet is loading. So please, you have to be very serious with this project. All right, be serious with this project, because I know what I'm saying now. All right, so now if I send a message into here, I'm going to receive a confirmation. You can see you already have the testnet role, so we have claimed the testnet role successfully. So also you can go to general support and drop a message there. Right, just interact with the bots. You can see you already have the testnet role, so I've confirmed that I have the testnet role and all is done. So you can see we have claimed all the testnet role. All right, now the next thing to do is to minimize back. Just make sure you send the message here as well. Okay, I've sent message already, so go back to your browser. All right, so we have claimed the role already. All right, so you go ahead, follow them on X. All right, follow them on X, then you go back again. Then we've done the task already, so the next thing to do right here is to go minimize back to the registration link which you used earlier. All right, just click on it. It will take you straight to your interface where you will be doing your daily interaction. All right, so what are your daily interactions? So let's quickly go through the reward section. So you can see 24 hours time I'll come here to claim 200 Sogni token, testnet token. So it's every 24 hours. And also you can see, because I use a referral link, I was given extra 125. So that's the advantage for using a referral link. So also you can share yours from here. All right, now because I verified my email, they also gave me 500 Sogni token. All right, now if we go to the wallet section, if you see this wallet section here, you can see pending. All right, under this pending debits, this is pending credit. This pending credit is as a result of the daily claim I made, and also the referral bonus. So everything will be calculated and added to my available balance very soon. Now on the pending debit, just pay attention, this is 0 and my balance is 675. I've told you already, your daily task is here. Come to reward, click your daily task. And also this is another task that you'll be doing, which is enter create. Then you see this film icon here, click on it. Then you see this generate image. All right, so most of the queue is kind of much, but you just have to be patient for the images to be generated. So you just have to be patient. All right, so these are the tasks that you will be doing. The first one is your daily task. That you'll be doing your daily claim on your reward section. All right, reward section, which is here. Then the second one is to click on this icon and create your image. So always create your image. You just have to be patient. The queue is much, but so many people are interacting with the AI. So just relax for your image to be created. All right, so you can see that the image are already generated. So you can see my image has been generated successfully. So you can go straight to the wallet. Also you can see pending. All right, so I have a pending now. So that simply means it will be debited from my balance. So every transaction you are doing, every task that you are doing is being tracked, and you will be rewarded duly for every contribution that you made. Like I said, continue your daily check-in and also try to create images, interact with the AI. All right, create more. Please, if this is your first time following Web3 Simplified, please do well to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell. In the description of this video, I will leave the WhatsApp channel where we post project for registration, just like this one. So if you want to register, you must follow that link to register. I will also drop the WhatsApp community for interaction, where you get to interact with other members in the community, and also you can always DM me from the WhatsApp community as well. All right, so I believe that is that for now, and subsequently more updates will be coming on the Sogni Testnet. Please just do well to stay positioned in my WhatsApp community. So see you next in my next video.